Locking your card with Bank of America is a simple process that can help protect your account from unauthorized transactions. Follow these steps to secure your card quickly and easily. Step 1. Access your Bank of America account. Log into your Bank of America online banking account or open the mobile app on your device. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to the Card Management section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab or Card Management option. This section allows you to manage your debit or credit cards. Step 3. Select the card you want to lock. Find the specific card you wish to lock. Click on it to view more details and options related to the card. Step 4. Choose the Lock Card option. In the Card Details section, look for the option that says Lock Card or Temporarily Lock Card. Click on this option to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the lock. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to lock the card. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your card is now locked. By following these steps, you can easily lock your Bank of America card to prevent unauthorized use. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to customer service for help.